3 shells back.
I'm not.
Oh man, I forgot my phone. I did too. I'm gotta go get mine.
I got mine.
Hey, you guys stay here and order me a water. Alright.
What up?
Nothing.
Yep, I'm cool.
The only one that got something.
I'm getting a basket.
The chicken's really good.
Yeah, it is. You already had what?
Y'all ready to order? Would you like a few minutes just chill?
We're gonna basket fry.
Okay.
Yep. Pull together.
Are you gonna share? Oh, I'll give you $1. Hold up. It's all my mom's money. I didn't bring any of my money.
Yeah, me too.
I got $40, 10 to get it. I mean 20 to get in, 20 to spend on whatever. I only got 2 left. Cause I spent 10 on raffle tickets, and of course I didn't win anything. I asked him. I asked Steve, and he said no. And he threw 2 things of biggies at me.
There's basket fries are only
Basket fries and I want those too.
Well, it's not really like come into a restaurant with somebody else. Yeah, I'm
It's going around.
Corey and Tyler and me, we ate Subway.
Where'd y'all get Subway from?
Subway up the street.
I need at least $5 left so I can go get $5.
It's good. He was going crazy and jumping out. He's going, I think he stopped and went back and grabbed his money. He's having so much fun.
Yeah, look at that guy. He's highlighted.
Oh yeah.
I was just being hood.
Earlier, Mr. Steve.
I got 2 bottles of water. I'll give it to him.
Earlier, Steve was making fun of us for eating which bottle. He goes, it's the same flavor all the way down. Yeah. For like $1 or 2. So good.
How did you get that out of that?
That's how my mind works. Exactly. Grant, do you have any money I can borrow for something to eat?
Faster than Noah, huh?
Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, I love that. Yeah. $10. Drew. Drew. It's water vapor, Nick. Shut up. Yeah, see it? It's all wet. This isn't illegal. It's not illegal. He didn't have to get an ID. It's not right.
Aren't you supposed to have one? Really?
It's water vapor. It's water vapor.
You should have been like, what?
It's supposed to help
Dude, you should have been like,
I don't smoke.
It's actually, what do you have?
Because, I mean, might as well you can smoke in that case.
no, Drew. You should go like this.
It's just one of those things because it never happened. Yeah, I just want to see.
You remember Jeremiah last year at school? That tall one that smoked or whatever?
What grade are you? I hate you.
Eighth.
My grandpa had a stroke because of it. Now he's paralyzed. He's been paralyzed for 2 years.
What are you in?
I am in bed watching Well, you're talking about me, so me and him. Kids night. When you get that big out, kids lose it. Funny because he said it's at his dad's business. It's funny because he like men. Nice boom. Oh, I forgot to get your number again. I gotta pull it out and just flop. Alright, you want it? Hold up. You got the ID. No, you don't. No, but you just got it. Oh, water, please. 803 FUCK OFF. Okay, 803 FUCK OFF? Yes. I'm just kidding. 770. Find all of that. Okay, 770. You seriously thought that was it? No. 770. Okay. I think it's 532. 023. I think you're bullshitting.
I know it's 770 something.
770 355 6023. Swear you're bullshitting.
Sweet.
770 355 6023. Calling it. Okay. Get out. David. Ring. Ask you guys. See, you already have. Nope. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Want any honey mustard or
Honey mustard.
honey mustard? Have you ever had Mexi Ranch? I got you. Yes.
Wait, what did you say? You ever heard of Maxi Ranch?
He's getting me. I
Oh, so I paid $1.
What took you
had to get one in.
You said you had to get one in.
That's what you guys ordered.
What?
That's all he ordered.
Yeah, we already ordered.
That's all he ordered.
Do you want something? I want get a bitch. You're fat.
This?
Thank you.
This chicken.
What is that?
It's
Something ranch.
oh, that's 1,000 Island.
It's like buffalo. It is.
Come on, Drew.
Oh, it
Somebody
is.
hand me
Hey,
the
hey.
Wait, it said 1,000 Island?
Somebody hold up the cup. I can't reach
That's all I mean.
it. That's all I mean.
Stop. Stop.
That's 1,000 off.
You guys know how to make water better?
Oh my god, Drew.
Work.
Applebees
I
sweet.
don't know my
That's
password.
good. Oh crap.
Should get a drink. I'm thirsty.
You get a drink. Yeah.
I only have $2.
What if I just stuck his phone in his
Get a water, it's free.
It'll all go out right on
You know how to say that?
You
You know how to say
didn't
that?
see that. You guys didn't see that.
This is when it comes in
You
handy.
licked it right off his phone.
I'm asking my mom to make me some fries at home.
Your mom can cook.
Your mom
You just swallowed that?
Yeah, seriously.
Go to Kroger.
He doesn't have any food at his house.
We got chicken.
My mom got mad at me.
We got chicken.
Spend the night. Didn't have any.
He doesn't have drinks.
No, we got chicken.
We had to eat leftover chicken.
We got chicken nuggets, but they're frozen. Get them heated up.
How do you eat?
Eat the chicken
How do
nuggets?
you survive? How do you live in a nice house and not have any food or anything?
My mom, I always tell her to, but she always buys my sister snacks for her lunch from school. It's like, really? You're not gonna buy anything for
You know how to say
So
that?
all you eat is left. So all you eat is outside.
Because she gets everything from my sister for her snacks.
That's
doesn't know how to cook.
And then I get some.
That's
She
why
doesn't
she
know how to
likes to
cook.
fish all the time, because she knows if we catch something, we gotta skin it and eat it.
She doesn't know how to cook.
She never
We used to
does.
have like a nanny.
She doesn't know how to
She
cook.
made us like everything.
Or the nanny.
Lucky. I have to eat Pop-Tarts every day for breakfast. It's old.
I don't even eat breakfast. Yeah, I don't either. What's wrong with Pop-Tarts? Pop-Tarts are awesome.
My dad, I had to go to my dad's and he took me to McDonald's every day, 9 weeks straight.
What? No, I ate
Every
already.
day for breakfast on the way to school. Cause like we lived,
That would kill you.
I know. I was getting tired of it.
Here's something was not happening.
I know, when I eat lunch,
Tastes like this.
It's better than Monster.
Yeah, it is. This is better.
I'm
I
sorry,
think you should
okay?
mix this again.
Wait, how much money do you have after this?
He puts his balls in his coat. Dude, it goes.
Feels like you drink mixing all the drinks together in McDonald's.
I used to do that when I was little.
I still do.
I mean, one time I was Sprite and I was
Yeah, the lady goes, what are you doing? I go, mixing all the drinks. She goes, yeah, it tastes like gummy bears. I was like,
Gummy bears?
yeah.
How are you making it like Monster? I mean,
That shit does.
Oh, I don't want that.
Gummy bears?
it's nice, isn't it, Connor?
Yeah, I got them all. Like,
My bank password.
what kind of bait cast do you have?
Pretty nice for you, besides the fact you can't cast
I
it.
don't know.
Pretty nice besides the fact you can't cast it.
Bird's nested at one time. He came two times.
When I pulled up, he was sitting there going, and he couldn't get it on camera.
Because it was
Locked it up so much.
No, but tomorrow I'm gonna film me actually fishing. And you guys are gonna see how far I can cast out, and you guys are gonna get a bone.
I get a bone over fishing. Wow.
Fishing was awesome.
I'm not saying it's Jackson, you don't know how to fish.
You have to like it.
I do fish.
You have to like it.
Dude, he put a 10-pounder in for
I have a
like it.
pontoon. I go fish.
Do you really?
this big.
Pontoons are
Is that one of those mini
We
poles?
done like so yes, one like this big. 12 pounds.
No, it was like a 5 foot.
No, it was like 9.5 pounds. It was about 12.
Alright, I'll stop.
It was 12. I'll show you.
It's not 12.
I caught a
Listen, I can show Go you straight. what 12 is. And he caught it up and down.
That is more than
If he gives
12.
me another Coke, I'll be really. No, it's not.
No, I'm joking. That's
12.
It's about 8 pounds. It's about 2 pounds, actually.
He caught a 3 or 4
This is
ounce.
about as big as your fish. This is
Better
about
than what
twice
you
as
got.
long as his fish is.
All right, look at this largemouth I
Guess how much
caught
this weighs?
at a golf course.
Like 12 pounds.
It's 7.5.
Look at that thing.
Connor's got some decent
Look at
fish.
that. Have you seen all my
Yeah, I
fish?
know,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
I
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
I was like, what the heck?
Dude, but if I would have got,
Look, Jackson, I cast my third cast out there. Right when I hit the water, I go, man, it was a bad cast. It hit, and the fish hit it. And
Yeah.
like 2 or 3 foot out of the
he
water.
cut a
I am
4
not
ounce syrup.
kidding you, okay? Me and my brother were fishing the other day. Saw a catfish. I'm not kidding. I swear to God.
Oh yeah, dude. I
He
catch
caught a
catfish.
4 ounce. He got a 4 ounce bass.
It was a half pound.
He goes, hey, bro, it's nice as this. He goes 4 ounce.
Whoa, how'd you do that?
It's bigger than what you
This?
thought.
How'd you like?
Oh, I have no clue. It was a flash. Where
I'm good.
You know I have that case for my phone.
was only $20.
Mine was like 3 cents.
Show the picture of my Facebook. Oh, hey, Jimmy.
Let me use the block. I
El
guarantee
Camino.
it's charged.
Oh, God, whoa.
Oh,
I passed 2 of those today.
I know.
They're
El
going to a
Camino.
car show. What? Oh, it's on my
Drew.
other map.
El Camino.
Oh, I don't have it with me. It's funny, I found a stick that goes like this and goes straight and curves down. I'm like, it was
No better than a fridge.
I'm like, oh my God, I'm like, no, it's that might do this goes right? And I go, I'll walk up and I'm like, oh, it's really like,
Dude, look at that.
Whoa,
Whoa,
he's huge. You sure it's your cowardly dog?
Drew that?
we have to do like a cartoon.
Liar.
Drew, let me see it.
Oh, legit.
Liar.
I drew it on a sheet of paper and then
There's not
Let's take it off with some food.
It's an L.
no, like look.
Hold on, wait.
I drew that one.
It's loading.
Trace the other one.
Just wait. It's not boring enough. Meat spin.
Except for food. It's really hard. Except for food.
God dang it.
Dude, did you ever get your dog?
What?
Did you ever find your dog?
No. You did. I swear to God I did. He's gone.
Drew, give me my phone.
Alex to his sister let him out.
Dude. No, shut up.
Oh my God.
That's a white guy, I'm juicy.
What?
$5.
This
How much was it? What the heck? Are you serious?
Coke's 250.
Drew, let me see my freaking
You
phone.
can get one at like $1 at the gas station here.
The hard-earned money. Let me. You can keep the change.
Oh, Drew, is this our dog?
You
Is
too.
this our dog plan? Are we trying to make it? Say with this
No,
one.
I made that last night. We were catching.
Yo, have y'all ever thrown
That
a
was last night.
have y'all ever thrown a spray paint can in the fire?
Wait, how late were you guys out?
What did you do?
You won't take a picture.
Safari.
And look at history.
Are you gonna tight to the thing? I told you I moved it. I put it in the bushes right here.
That's delicious. And me.
That's what you guys were fishing on for?
That was like.
Whose phone is that?
Let me see your
Whose case is that? Oh yeah, I thought that was
Are you freaking? Why are you still looking at that? Get off the
What do I?
I still think trucks are
Oh,
That's really good.
We're selling that
Being hot dog.
because we got the Drew.
How's your contour?
Drew.
Huh?
How's your contour?
Somebody you?
You're not recording though, are you?
You told me to.
Are you seriously recording?
Yeah. I can delete it.
Drew.
My name is Austin Smith.
Drew. Oh my God. My dad got his truck. My dad got his truck from me, bro. That's why it's not there. He just got it back then. It's all crazy.
You got another coat?
Don't you just drive it from
Oh.
Please don't go there anymore. That was, look, that was in the truck when it was getting built. You got that truck for so cheap.
That's all the pictures
How
you
much?
have. I got that $7.
So what truck is it? F-150 awesome.
I'm getting a Hummer.
Serious? Yeah. For $7 grand?
Yeah, it was for the fact that
It was totaled, and still, that would have made it like 15. That would
Dad,
yeah. That,
I'm getting a white Hummer.
no, listen.
Of course you are.
Yeah, that's
I'm getting a
you're
white
gay.
Jeep.
Dude, yeah, let your mommy and daddy buy your.
What's the gas
No, they're
mileage on it?
actually,
No,
we've had
listen.
it before, they're just gonna give it to
I'm
me.
probably not getting the Jeep.
Why? They're
My dad.
I'm getting a hey Jackson.
That rebuilds cars, and we got
You
it.
don't know
Jack.
what you're gonna do?
I'm getting a black Jeep for my first car. My dad's buying it for me. And then my uncle, he jacks up cars like real high, and he'll do it for me for free.
$50. $50. $50. $50.
It's gonna be awesome.
$50.
I was alive with the LEDs underneath the
$50.
You know what I mean? Like those.
Do it.
Yeah. Underglow.
The new ones?
They are?
Shake on it.
Why?
Dude, I didn't know.
Okay, if I go down there and ask him, that's where we
No, I'm gonna buy some. Where are you gonna get all this money?
No.
I already have the money.
How much do you have?
I want to have enough money by the
20
time.
grand is
Camaro?
pretty.
Camara's
Yeah,
a
dude,
30.
that's a lot of money.
I know, but I
They're
can
more than
already have a
30.
head start.
Have you
My dad
always
needs
daddy card?
I'm about to go back. I'm ready to play.
Like,
Mine's worth 40.
I've only played one game today.
That's right.
I played like.
It'll pay seem like
I've only played one. That's
I like 5.
I agree.
You get paid.
Dude, what?
Yeah, dude. I think you could change. Do you really?
It was only 25 cents.
Put a tip. Yeah, 25 cents. Are you serious?
Put a real tip, bro. They'll get mad.
Oh, yeah. That is really the legit tip, but seriously, put a tip.
You gotta hide it. Put it under everything.
They're clearing off the food. Oh, yeah.
It wasn't that much money. No, it was only $5.
What's
So what
$20?
else did you get? Oh. Put in like $2. Put in like $1.50 because I mean it wasn't that much. Connor, Drew,
Glover. Wait, what? Let's go.
let's go. Connor, please help us with my pictures. I might have a picture of my dick on there.
Dude, what is that small thing?